Hi guys, going to see if I can glue back the broken bits again. This time through I'm going to try super glue, and instead of baking powder I'm going to try Johnson's baby powder as suggested to me by Tellboy 2002. When you put super glue and baking powder together, it makes this really solid concrete-like fix. Now, he's suggested I should try baking powder. He's seen it used somewhere, and it gives a more workable glue or something. It lasts a bit longer before it goes hard. I'm not sure whether that's a benefit or not, but either way, we'll try it. What I might do is I might take the steering off front. Oh, I don't know. No, if I take that off, at the moment that's, if I take this bottom plate off, at the moment that's holding that front section together. And if I take that off, this will flex around. Yeah, maybe I won't. Just have to put up with it being a little bit tight to work on. I'm really not sure about this idea with the baby powder, because what I did last time was I put the glue all the way round, put it down so it held itself in place, and then added the baking powder on the outside to build up a layer of strength on the outside. I don't think that baby powder will be any better, mainly because it'll be lighter and it'll blow around everywhere. I'll get some super glue. Alright, see what we can do. What we'll need is to get the top off this and then get a little spoon or a brush or something to put it on with. Don't know. Doesn't look to me like it's going to build up the same way. smells nicer, if that's any benefit. This is probably not the right application for it. You really want to use something like this when you want to build up where there's a gap, a bit of plastic missing or something like that. Don't know. You did say it took longer to go hard. It does seem to be making a... Sorry Terry, I don't like this idea here. Might work better somewhere else, but... Just show me where I've got another split that hasn't gone all the way through. Just putting super glue on the outside isn't going to do much to it either. Don't know, not convinced for this particular purpose. I'm not recommending, teeth are stuck. I'm not recommending anybody tries this. I've no idea if it's going to work. Just happens, and it's a pure coincidence, Terry had been talking to this about me. Sorry, Tellboy 2002. And then I went and smashed the car up. Oh well, we'll see if that holds it together anyway. I've still got to figure out what I'm going to do about the missing spring, because I've lost one of the suspension springs. Right, it's glued back together. We've blown away all the excess dust, well, most of it. We've now got to sort out suspension for it. That's the one spring that I've got. And I'm looking at this. This is one of my Maisto Extreme Beasts. That's got spring shock absorbers. And they are pretty close to the same size. The only thing is, this one is a push fit or a friction fit into that section there. I could pull it out. You can see, you might be able to see it's got a knurled. It's not focusing, is it? Come on. The top of the shaft is knurled or cross-hatched where it's pushed into the plastic. So I could probably get it out again if I forced it, but I really don't want to damage it, because those Maisto Extreme Beasts are quite fun. They're not amazingly fast or anything, but they do work. So I don't want to ruin that. If it had come off easily, I'd have used it as a quick method to get it running again. But I don't think I'll do that. So I've either got to make a spring, which I could do, or I'll have a look on eBay and see if I can find any. So I'll take some dimensions and have a look on eBay. But for the time being, that's as far as this video is going to go. Just glue it back together and we'll see what happens. I'm not convinced with the baby powder and super glue. I think I would rather stick to using the baking powder and super glue. That gives me a much harder finish. We'll see. That'll do for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.